Hi everyone, it's Brittany here with Alinari Experience, and these little guys are blue Morpho caterpillars. There's actually going to be 29 different species in that Morpho family, but these are actually the classic blue Morpho right here. Now these guys are going to be fully grown, are going to look more like this. That little green, those little green blocks there, they start turning a little bit more brown, and that's going to start indicating that this guy here is getting ready to go into the pre-pupa phase. And if you look at him, he's got a rather large head compared to like the rest of his body, where previous caterpillars that we've shown you, they tend to have like smaller heads, but he's got a really round noggin right there. And they're super brightly colored. And if you look at them, they look rather fuzzy, don't they? I don't know if you can really, yeah, there you go. You can see that in the camera. So they're rather fuzzy looking. Now, these fuzzy hairs are going to be connected to glands that we can't see with our naked eye, but that are there. They're glands, and these glands will actually emit a strong odor as a defense mechanism against predators, which is pretty cool. So yeah, the blue Morpho, super brightly colored, especially compared to some of the other caterpillars that we've shown on here, like the owl butterfly, who's pretty basic brown. These guys have that green, that red, very, very pretty. Here's just a closer up version of the one getting ready to enter pre-pupa stage, and then this younger one here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Now, when these guys grow up, like I said, they're going to be the blue Morpho butterfly, and they're going to have enormous wings in comparison to their body side. And this is actually going to result in a very like bouncy type of flight pattern. It's very distinct to the blue Morpho, which actually makes them very difficult for our guests to take pictures of because they are so bouncy in their flight. And this is actually going to help, again, kind of as a defense mechanism, because that blue on the top side of their wings will be very, very flashy, and hopefully then kind of make it more difficult for a bird, especially to be able to follow really where that butterfly is going. So another fun fact about these guys, once they're a butterfly, odds are you're going to be seeing the male blue Morpho butterflies, not the females. The females are really hard to see. They only typically come out in the late morning. And you can tell the difference between a female and a male because the females have a whiter, darker edging on their wings on that top side, and the males are going to have a more vibrant blue, and that blue is going to take up almost the entirety of that top part of their wings. So thanks for joining us today on our blue Morpho caterpillar talk.